Good. You start off this way. We're going to start off with our legs far apart, just like this, and we're going to bend. So you can see our feet are flat. Our posture is nice and straight. Abs are nice and tight. Your shoulders are back and down. We never move our upper body in Tahitian or any of the Polynesian dances unless it's for a purpose or choreography. So from here, we're going to hit the right side. Then we're going to hit the front, squeezing your butt. Abs are tight. Okay. Then we're going to hit the other side, which is our other oblique. And then we're going to bring it back. Wharapu does not mean to do fast. It means to do round. We're going to try to make it smoother. Boom. Boom. Then you start speeding it up. Good. And then speed it faster. Feet together. Wharapu.